So what's up, YouTube? It's day 2 of my diet, lose 10 pounds in 7 days, and I'm about to get ready to hit the gym. And I'm just gonna go over with you what supplements I'm taking during this losing weight process. So I'm finna go downstairs and give you a review on most of the supplements I'm taking. It's not many, but it's just a couple. What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to show you a couple of the supplements I'm going to be taking during this challenge to lose 10 pounds in 7 days. And we're going to start off first with the whey protein. This is a good protein. I won't be taking this protein just because I have the isolate, which is a better protein than just the whey, but they both work fine. It's not going to be too much of a difference. This is going to be a little difference in the price. Walmart, this costs $15. This is about $20, but they're not too much of a difference in proteins. This is just microfilter, and this one is not. They're both good proteins, so you don't have to worry about too much about, do I have to have isolate? Another supplement I'm going to be taking is glutamine, L-glutamine. This is a highly recommended supplement. I recommend just because it helps you recover, it helps speeds up the recovery process and maintain lean muscle. So that's a good product just to have. I suggest you to Google it if you want to know more information about. Later on, probably do a supplement review and give you more details about each of these supplements. Next, I have flax oil, good omega-3s and omega-6s. You need fat. 20% of my diet is going to be from fat, and this is an excellent fat to have. Fats does so much good for the body. I'm going to do a review on that and let you know why you need those fats. Next is a pre-workout. This is C4. I won't be taking this, but this is a good pre-workout to start off with. Ones that's going to give you a pump, and this one does give you a lot of energy. I'm going to take something more potent, that is Razor 8. You have to buy this one offline, and I don't think they sell it at GNC or none of those stores like that. You have to buy it online, and later on I'll do a review on it and let you know what it got in it. But this is a high potency pre-workout. So I wouldn't suggest somebody starting off to take it because you're going to be real normal. It's going to be like your heart beating out of your chest. So I wouldn't suggest anyone who haven't took pre-workouts to take it. This is a good pre-workout after your body gets so adapted to this workout that is not really getting you more like energy in the gym. You might want to move to Razor 8. Next, these two supplements is optional. You don't have to take it depending on the person. If you're having a little joint trouble, a little stiffness, you might want to take some glucosamine. Good for joint health, cartilage, and I like probiotics. A reason why I like this, when you're eating a lot of protein, your body digests it, and you want to really absorb all the protein. This is digestive enzymes in it and help digest protein, carbohydrates, and good stuff like that. Both of these are optional. You really don't need it, but it's good to have depending on your needs. Like this, if you eat yogurt, yogurt have probiotics in it, and that's really a supplement view. I'll probably be taking 2 of these a day, so that's 60 grams of protein. And actually, all your protein shake is going to have L-glutamine in it. Depending on which ones you have is going to be tell you how many servings or how many grams of L-glutamine in it. I like to get about 10 to 15 grams a day. So the L-glutamine does help the body recover faster. Your body already makes this in the body as amino acids. So these are the supplements I'm going to be taking during my lose 10 pounds in 7 days, and they're fairly not really expensive, not expensive supplements. A lot of people spend $150 at GNC. You want to keep your budget low because a lot of times people spend so much starting out, and then at the end of it, they end up not being able to rebuy or restocking those things, and then it kind of destroys their workout plan. This is about, I think I played 25 online for this, and this just got a lot of servings. If I go to the back got about 220 servings. So this lasts about 6 months, I think, for me, or about 4 to 6 months. This is about $15. This got a pretty good amount of servings, about 12 to 14 every 2 scoops. So 2 scoops of this will give you 12 servings. Flax oil that's got, this only costed $5 at Walmart, plus is organic. And this Razor 8 was about $30, and you see that got 80 servings. This is a real good buy for the price of pre-workouts. Most pre-workouts doesn't have that many servings, and you got to keep buying it. And then both of these have good servings, about 100 servings. Both of these was about cheap. I don't really see it on that one, but they both have good servings, 100 capsule. They both was fairly cheap. Probably around, I think I bought 2 of these for $10. It was buy one, get one free. So, and this is about $10. So those are supplements. If you want to know about some other supplements, I'm going to start doing reviews. So send in those emails about supplements and stay in tune, YouTube.